How to download an Experian credit report PDF. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a simple tutorial to download the Experian credit report as a PDF. For this, first and foremost, head over to any of your preferred browser and search for Experian account. Head over to its website and enter your login credentials. If you do not have an account, you'll need to create one by following the sign up process. Once that is done, you will see the option to view your credit report. You can click on Get Started to check your credit report. Once done, you will see an option to download it. So after the report loads, click on Download the PDF. Once that is done, it will ask you for a password. Make sure that the password is usually a combination of first 4 letters of your first name and the last 4 letters of your mobile number associated with your Experian account. So once you do it, you should be able to view your credit report in PDF format. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.